Alrighty, welcome back. Happy Easter, everybody. But we're just on our way to a local junkyard that I've known for a while. I haven't been there for a while, but we're just going to go in and see what they have. He has some, I'm thinking some 30s, some 40s, and a few 50s cars that he's kept forever. And we're just going in, looking around, see if we can find a roof or something that we might like to switch with a Thunderbird. Just keeping our eyes open, but we're going to take you along with us. Happy Easter.
Yeah, the 50, the Victor or whatever. Yeah. That's the thing. No real value to them, but if they're fucking gone, they're never coming back. That's why they sit here, right? Yeah. Little aluminum brake drums on the front, they see them. I never guessed that, but that's definitely aluminum.
People want them for the hot rods. I tried to buy a set of them here a while ago. Can you set something like that right there now, would you?
Imagine.
Put them on the hot rod, right? Yeah. Remember I tried to buy those, Jolene, the front brake? Over here, so I tried to buy that.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
I didn't guess that was on there.
For that now, would you?
Of course, that's got that old nail head motor and everybody's always talking about. Like,
Yeah. We actually have one in a 32 Ford, but we haven't got it running yet. You've got one.
Yes, sir.
I remember there being an older 30-something.
We got the leftover shells, and half the two. That's just your good, that's for the head top in there.
Yeah.
That's just like that.
Just stayed too long, that's all.
It's too long. Like I said, you left it to death. Right there, left it. You left it so long. Little Buick thing is probably one of the things you were thinking about.
Okay. Maybe. Yeah.
Like a 29 Buick.
He's falling over there. You know something, that front fender, like, sheet metal there.
Yeah, yeah.
Still could bring that alive.
Yeah.
Say that. Like that fender, you still could make that, come back around. Can't believe the chassis in it.
Yeah, it's still all there, isn't it? Yeah.
Was it a truck or a car?
No, it was a car, but he bought the body off one time. Come on, all we want was the back. And then over in the woods there, I got an elastics body, which is still the exact same style. And one time we was going to put them together, but
Okay. See that going?
Yeah.
I even like the grill on it.
yeah. Oh, he had quite a big shape to it, didn't he?
Yeah, it did, yeah.
Same as them things, the index or whatever.
Stays on there.
That's not quite what I'm on back in the day with those straight in.
That's all down there, Nathan. I'm just here holding the bushes. Oh, that.
Yeah.
Trailer?
Yeah. All the old hood fenders and doors and stuff.
You have a shitload of doors up here.
Yeah, they're all still back there.
That thing right there interested me at one time.
Yeah, you got a torpedo back, right?
And we end up buying one, and I end up selling it.
Right. That's right, that's what you're driving back.
Yeah.
There, yeah.
There's one for you.
Yeah. What's there? Right off of the one. about.
I would say they were Buick fenders or hard to say, isn't it?
A lot of metal there, a lot of gear. At one point you can see like there'd be 4 doors and trunk lid and like whatever car they jumped was all in like one spot, right?
Yeah, they moved around.
Right.
Rosenville grill.
Still amusing. I find it amusing. That's an old 58 Pontiac, so that's 58 Pontiac. There's the trunk lid, that's the fender.
What do you think the yellow fenders are off of? Rosenville?
Yeah. Could be off that same curve up the top.
Okay, Rosenville.
Could very well be. Yeah, I'd say probably. Yeah, that's what it is. That's what. You know what that is?
Huh.
That's same Jimmy Patterson's. That's like a 57 Oldsmobile.
That's what I was thinking because the stainless
yeah,
remind me of the stains on his
That
front fender.
end, I'd say that's the same as his car.
I'll have to word that to him. Could be down bugging me. I put a floor and stuff in that car for him, and he was going to field drive it, and then it kind of took the light out of his down. Now he's onto her.
Yeah.
He's got her damn near beat, he does.
What's that?
He's got her damn near beat.
Oh,
He's damn near fixed up now.
He's persistent.
What do you tow this with?
Actually, just an F450 Ford truck Super Duty that I had last, or a 1-ton Duramax, as long as dual wheel. I had these for years. Used to run back to the city, get 3 cars at a time, right? Awkward. Yeah, I'm used to the jack truck, right? Jack truck's really easy to get around with, right? Yeah. There's my Jaguar that I've had forever. That was never any good.
Black one?
Yeah. I put up bigger spikes so I can remind myself not to buy no more. Never know this one. Never know this one. Yep, so that's the old stuff again.
I've never been back this far. They cleaned it quite well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, the old Jaguar.
No Chev truck back there, is that?
That's old Studebaker.
I gotta take a look. See him running the close.
Looked at the flathead V8 in that at one time.
Studebaker's always a good looking.
Yep, good looking truck, good looking front end.
Lots of gas tanks.
Yeah. Drill them, drain them, take them on. It has that vanilla on it. Wow. Oh.
It might have a good door on it.
Yeah, it looks good, yeah. It's fine. Good door on it. Pieces under there if you look to it. Yeah. Yeah, you can scrap cars are hard to get.
What, for the metal?
Yeah.
Yeah.
The prices of them, right? Them things would have been crushed last summer, but they didn't need no more cars for those.
Donations welcome. That's right. Today they call it GoFundMe, isn't it?
Yeah. Oh, that's right, that little square body, that's that the Mitsubishi over there.
The body.
Oh, that's it, yeah. The street fell on it last I looked. I used to go with it for
So
years.
you don't use the trailer anymore?
I haven't used it for years, no. Yeah, buddy was throwing the cars across, I threw back out. For metal, right? You want all metal, yeah.
Oh, they're showing you.
Say they're only good decorations for all one place. Why not? So you can stick in, right? Cinders and stuff so you can stick in. But the old man, he used to paint them up and look at them. Like he's starting off with like a 77 Torino.
Okay.
The plastic insert. Temporary, stuff there, obviously. Center off the whole wheel. Yeah. Maybe like an old model there.
Yeah.
Right?
Okay. Center's a little worn out on it.
Yeah. The old man, he said that stuff wasn't any good in its day. They were more back then, right?
See a drill. Not too bad.
Yeah, it's got a deep piece.
Not a bad looking grill. Not sure exactly what it is, but
Yeah, I don't know either. Yeah. Big with everything, right?
yeah. Oh, I just take cut this way.
Hold on.
Yeah. You want the white part, just the grill part.
Yeah.
Well, that's what I see happening.
That's it.
Packard.
Yeah, it's Packard. I was showing that the other night, the Packard factory somewhere down in the States, the original Packard factory. I don't know why they were there. Oh, I think it was on Kickers there, American Kickers.
Yeah.
They're at the Packard factory. It was all shut down, so it's right.
I enjoy watching what they get and what they do.
Well, yeah, I do too. I'll watch it just because that Packard factory, right? Because they're in the Packard factory. Of course, it's a falling down factory, but it's still the factory, right? They showed it back in the day when it was functioning, right? And they show it, of course, today in mothballs, basically.
Tell me something. Did the video that we did on that carousel, that car for you?
The Pontiac?
The one that you said you did. Yeah.
I don't know how that
Did you
ended
see
up.
the video and then say, I'm going to go up and get that?
Yeah, I can't.
Good.
I got it from another buddy that got it from another buddy.
Oh, okay.
It got traded and sold off a couple times.
Okay. We did a couple videos and the car sold just like that.
Yeah.
Same we did the video.
Yeah.
That's a rusted Bronco, I'll tell you.
Yeah, nothing like them. It's hanging. Oh, they don't make them anymore. They're there. It's still away, right now. Yeah. I got old Eldorado convertible in that building there, been there for 10 years. Okay, no 20 probably.
It's
20 years.
22.
That yellow one.
Will you show us your cars up front?
Oh yeah.
Okay, cool.
Oh yeah, we did. All just sitting there.
together and see that. Cool.
Yeah, oh my God, yes, I say. I said, I don't know how in the heck back in the day. Like, I mean, I ain't 500 pounds. Well, I can just barely fit in there and sitting there.
Yeah.
Get under the steering wheel, right?
Who's that now?
That's mine. It's at my house.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
Oh, I love that.
Yeah, it's neat.
It's neat. It's neat, all right.
Yeah. Let's see.
Well, how long have you had that?
Oh, just a year maybe.
Okay. You buy that around here?
Yeah.
Got the light next to it.
Yeah, I did.
Yeah, that's a rare car.